Hi friends, welcome back everyone to Angel Trading Friend. Yes, I agree there was a small gap of 2 days with our live trading campaign because I was a little stuck up with the expiry. We had our expiry yesterday, and then as you all know that we have our options program going on, and there was lots of doubts, lots of handholding required. So in that I was so very busy and I could not record these live trading videos. To just give you an update, this is the position which we have taken, and all of you who have learned the course, hope you have taken the same position. What we're doing is we are taking two legs of buy and two legs of sell, nothing but you can call anything. It's perfect hedge strategy, and adjustment is the key. Like how we made last month almost 350 points, this month I'm not guaranteeing you that we'll get 350 points, but you learning the strategy, learning the adjustment is more important. Okay, and the quote for today is: the struggle you are in today is developing the strength you need for tomorrow. Friends, why I'm saying this quote is because I could experience it, I could see it among all the people, all the friends who are trading along with me. All of you are following this campaign itself, that there is lot of patience required, lot of emotional balance required, because when we get this continuous 2 losses, 3 losses, most of them were panicking, and they were telling that they can't continue this journey and all those things. But what I am suggesting is, this struggle which you're facing today, you will see the benefit after 50-60 days. When you look back into your Excel sheet, you can see that how you came across all these losses, but end of the program, that is end of 60 days, you are in profit. That happiness will teach you a lot of lessons. Okay, so as of now your duty is, don't get hurted or don't lose your control. Just follow the strategy, just follow your techniques in whichever strategy you're using. And after a long time, when you're using the same thing, just observe, look back and see, you will find the struggles which you had gone through and how fruitful it was, how good it was. Okay, so without wasting much time, I'm going to show the live trading video. And pardon me, this is old video, that is on 25th day number 32. We are going to continue the same thing, and then again from next week onwards we'll be begin continuing with present dates itself. The stock selected was Reliance Industries, and as usual, you know that our targets is going to be 0.6 and the stop loss is going to be 0.4, and this is how we are going to do, keep the trap. We came to know that Reliance was having a very good trend, that is the reason we took the breakouts. Okay, but never mind, we got loss end of the day. Loss is part of all the strategies, it's required in everyone's trading career. Okay, so you can see that one order is triggered, so then one order is completed, so other one we have to cancel it manually. So I'll just show you the closed orders here. You can see one is triggered, another is completed. Okay, this is what we have to do daily, and then end of the day at around 3 o'clock when I checked, it was in loss. So as I told you, day number 32, 25th trading, the stock was Reliance and the profit is 1003. Okay, so that's not important for us. What we have to look is the journey, positives and negatives, but overall the average end of the month we have to be in profit. This is a secret which I am teaching and which you also have to learn. Patience is the key. 14,000, good enough, decent returns. Even if you put in fixed deposits, we won't be making so much of money with 50,000 rupees. And friends, the best part is that there's no tension, there's no panic, there's no nothing. Just you saw me placing trade in just 2 minutes. So this is how you have to keep your trading. Keep it simple and sweet, and nothing else. Okay, so last but not the least, I just want to give you an update about the options trading program as well. So we all started off and made very good profit in last month, and in case this is only for people, those who have to do positional strategy, you don't have much time to do intraday trades, who can't look into your screens full time. Only for these people this option trading tactics program is all about. It will be a 6 months training program where initially you'll be learning the strategy and also the adjustments, and then we'll be practicing it for 6 months. All your doubts, everything will be clarified within the 6 months, and you'll be perfect with this, and we can easily make good returns every month without any tension. In case if you want to know any more updates about this, you can just WhatsApp on my number 8095876525. Thank you and have a nice day.